Today on Just the Tip, I'm going to show you how to use the Sappho New Paradigm Skin Luminizers. Paradigm Skin Luminizers. That's a fucking mouthful. Today on Just the Tip, I'm going to show you how to use the Sappho Skin Luminizers. These botanical highlighters are one of my favorite multi-use products. They can be used on the face, shoulders, and collarbone to create anything from a subtle glow to high drama. Available in 3 shades, light is a pearlescent sheen, medium is a champagne glow, and bronze is a glowy bronze. Applying the skin luminizers works best with your fingers, as your touch will warm up the product, making it easier to blend. I like to use the skin luminizers to add a bit of a highlight to my cheekbone, my nose, my upper lip, and of course my collarbone. You can also apply the skin luminizer to your entire face before or after applying your foundation to create a dewy glow. The subtle shimmer in the skin luminizers reflects light, so you can actually even use them underneath your eyes to help brighten things up. My favorite trick right now is using the bronze shade as an eyeshadow. I love the metallic look I get. And there you have it, some quick, easy tricks for using the Sappho Skin Luminizers.